My dear children, today in this module, we are going to learn about the term commercial bank and the important functions performed by commercial bank. As we know, a bank is a financial institution which collects money from the public and lent money to those who needs it. Banking is the business of accepting money from the public for the purpose of lending and investment. There are different types of banks. They are commercial banks, specialized banks, cooperative banks, and central bank. Commercial banks are the most common type of banks. State Bank of India is the largest commercial bank in India. Commercial banks perform both primary functions and secondary functions. Primary functions include accepting deposits and lending money in various forms. Secondary functions include agency functions such as collecting interest, collection of dividend, rent, etc. on behalf of the customers. And general utility functions, it includes providing locker, facility, etc. Now we are going to study the important functions of commercial bank. Acceptance of deposits is the primary functions of commercial bank. It is the most important function of commercial bank. They accept deposits in several forms according to requirement of different sections of the society. Deposits are the basis of loan operations since banks are both borrowers and lenders of money. As borrowers, they pay interest, and as lenders, they grant loans and get interest. These deposits are generally taken through current account, savings account, and fixed deposits. Current account deposit can be withdrawn to the extent of the balance of any time without any prior notice. Another important function of commercial bank is advancing loans. This is a second primary function of commercial bank is to make loans and advance to all type of persons, particularly to the businessmen and entrepreneurs. Different types of loans provided by commercial banks are cash credit, demand loans, and short-term loans. The important function of commercial bank is advancing loans to interested persons. These advances can be made in the form of overdrafts, cash credits, discounting trade bills, term loans, consumer credits, and other miscellaneous advances. The funds lent out by banks contribute a great deal to trade, industry, transport, and other business activities. Creation of credit is the another important function of commercial bank. Credit creation is the most significant function of commercial bank. While sanctioning a loan to customer, they do not provide cash to the borrower. Instead, they open a deposit account from which the borrower can withdraw. Clearing of check is the another important function performed by the commercial bank. It is a process of moving a check from the bank in which it was deposited to the bank on which it was drawn and the movement of the money in the opposite direction. This process is called clearing cycle. Bank renders a very important services to their customers by collecting their checks drawn on the other banks. The check is the most developed credit instrument, a unique feature and function of bank for the withdrawal of deposits. It is the most convenient and an inexpensive medium of exchange. There are two types of checks. They are bearer checks and crossed checks. Other important functions of commercial bank is secondary functions. The banks act as an agent to their customers in different ways. First function is collection and payment of various items. Bank collect different checks, rent, interest, etc. on behalf of their customers and also make the payment of taxes, insurance premium, rent, etc. Second function is purchase and sale of securities. Banks normally are more knowledgeable with regards to stock and share business. When such, they buy, sell, and keep in safe custody the securities on behalf of their customers. Bank also give information about the economic positions of their customers to domestic and foreign traders and likewise provide information about the economic positions of domestic and foreign traders to their customers. This is an important function performed by commercial bank. These are the important functions of commercial bank. Thank you.